and welcome to another episode of Rachel Eats Buns, steamed buns. This one is curry cheese. Interesting.
We're at Totoro.
Cream puff factory. Of course we are. Custard cream, strawberry cream, blue hat, chocolate cream, and banana. So we have opted down this end of the table to get 4 flavours, all 4 flavours, and share, so we get to taste all of them. And then if we have a favourite, we're going to order one more at the end. I want my own strawberry Totoro cream puff. What are you getting, Dad?
Absolutely nothing.
Oh, excuse me.
Oh, all right.
2 soy.
2 soy lattes.
Okay, flavor chocolate.
Yep.
Custard fresh cream, strawberry, caramel banana.
Chocolate, custard cream, strawberry, caramel banana.
No, I don't want to eat it. I didn't have any crumbs or whatever a couple of minutes ago, but now I just don't.
Oh, there we go. Yep, custard cream.
I don't think this is like.
Oh,
that is.
and this is a hot apple cinnamon raisin tea.
That's certainly raising the bar of tea.
You can kind of use this as a straw, not really.
Wait, take a picture of Can you?
The cinnamon. This is the second best coffee I've had in Japan.
Custard cream.
Chocolate.
Custard cream or strawberry.
And my favourite, banana caramel. I think Lily discovered it first, but in the bottom of our delicious apple cinnamon drinks, there's the apple and the raisins. Oh, wow, that is a long way down.
That's incredible.
We're not there yet. We're about halfway. We're here.
All the bits that you need for making your own,
Build your own. DIY.
or replacing parts. Use your needles. Here's the heads. What do you call that?
Is that the weight? Oh, the stabiliser.
That's my next speaker.
That one.
No,
They do
close it.
shut in some
They
state.
close it, I think it's 10 or 11.
We're in Guitar Corner. Hey, can I buy a trumpet in this store? What do you reckon, Alex? Would Rachel like one of these as a present?
Oh, I think she would.
$1,000 rice cooker. The waffle imprinters.
Come on, come out, he says. We've got a lot to talk about. And that old smile just gets me every time. Go ahead, sit down, he says. You can just let it all out.
Yeah, that's Coldplay.
And he looks at me with eyes the color of sky. What do you got to lose? Nothing but a whole lot of nothing. What do you got to gain? Nothing but you. What do you got to lose? Nothing but a whole lot of nothing. What do you got
This is where they keep the rare stuff.
I might find my Donkey Kong game here.
stories? Don't tell me lies. 'Cause I think I might like your point of view. Don't play games. No secrets, no disguise. Or maybe I might let you see me too.
Tomorrow we visit some beautiful gardens and eat some more food. Don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on the journey.
What do you got to lose? Nothing but a whole lot of nothing. What do you got to gain? Nothing but